peaches are here. The peaches are here. I'm picking a bunch of them for the first time. Peaches are here. I've had to pick anything from a peachy before. They're here, they're here, they're here. Here, number is nice and pretty. Peaches are here. You like mangoes? Peaches are here. Peaches are here. Fruits are my neighbor. All the watering I did. The peaches are here. Peaches are here. I got to sit down to sink my teeth into them. I'm not even ready to sink my teeth into them. I can notice already. The old man come picking up yesterday. Some stranger from off the street. Let's see, I tell him you're ready. He's getting ready. Gonna make some peach cobbler something something. Peach something something. Peach something something. Okay, ready like fish.